Hey crafters, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new Mother's Day video. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new. So we will be making a diagonal card. So these are the things that you will require for the video. Take an A4 size sheet and divide it into 3 equal parts. Score on both the lines that you have made. Now join the two diagonals as I am doing. Press the pencil hard so that it makes a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side as well. The base of your diagonal card is ready. Isn't it very easy? Moving on to the decoration part, you can decorate with any pattern papers or any plain papers that you have. As the mom that I had written in the middle was looking too simple, I planned on to do something different. Take your glitter sheets and write mom on it and stick it in the middle. And so our diagonal card is ready. If you have made any of my creation, post it on Instagram with #Let'sCraft and I will post them on my stories. Also make sure to check out my other videos. Thank you.